What's up, guys? Dave the Phone Guy here, and a little while ago I unboxed the Microsoft Surface earbuds when I had just got them in. I did a live stream and I wasn't able to complete a mic test, and I want you guys to be able to know how the mic sounds. So so first I want to let you know that these things are super comfortable. They sound okay. They sound good, better than okay. They sound good, not a lot of bass, but they feel really, really comfortable. I'm actually quite pleased how comfortable they are. It's almost as if they're not there, which is great. So let's go ahead and start this mic test. I'm gonna put the other earbud in real fast. All right, that's in. That's in. See, I could even pull on them a little bit and they don't come out. It's like it's screwed into my brain. What? Screwed in. Yeah. All right, so let me hit the recorder on the computer. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Microsoft Surface earbuds. Let me know in the comments below how they sound. All right, let's go ahead and introduce some ambient noise into the background. So, again, this is the sound of my voice with the Microsoft Surface earbuds with ambient noise playing in the background. How do they sound? Are they able to block out the noise and you're still able to hear me, or is my voice breaking up? What is it? You tell me. Tell me everything in the comments. Let's pause that. Let's stop this recording back here. And yeah, that's it, guys. This is just a quick one. I wanted to bang this out real fast for you, just so you had both ends of the spectrum, the unboxing, the mic test. So far, I'm liking them. I'm liking them a lot. Yeah, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up. Do me that favor. Smash the thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe, hit the bell. That way, you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. Thanks for watching. Whew.